When you need a heat transfer coil for heating, cooling, or refrigeration applications, the Madok team is ready. With over 45 years in the industry, we know how to engineer, design, and build the right solution for you. Using the most up-to-date digital tools, we work with your specifications to design the right coil. Then our project manufacturing team begins production, shaping steel to exacting tolerances, forming fins and copper tubing, adding components and circuitry, then brazing for maximum strength, flexibility, and durability. Each and every coil that we manufacture goes through rigorous testing in order to receive recognized industry certifications. Coils that require protective coating move on to our Harrisite Coatings Application Division to be treated for the most demanding conditions. All coils are carefully packaged and shipped to ensure your coil arrives in the same condition that it left our plant. For coils built with the highest quality, precision, and speed to your door, you can count on Madok.